Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can turn on numeric keypad on the on-screen keyboard. So let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to bring up and open the on-screen keyboard. So for that, click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply look for accessibility. Scroll down and you will find keyboard. Here you'll find on-screen keyboard. Enable this. Or you can just directly search for on-screen keyboard on the Windows search bar and this same on-screen keyboard window will appear. Now here as you can see, we don't have the numeric keypad on our on-screen keyboard. So numeric keypad, those are the keypad numbers, okay? So you can find that on the right pane of your physical keyboard. Now for the on-screen keyboard and how we can turn on the numeric keypad is just very easy. You will find the options button right here. Click on that. And the options window for the on-screen keyboard will appear. And here you will find turn on numeric keypad. To turn on the numeric keypad on your on-screen keyboard, just simply check it and click on OK. And that's it. You already have the numeric keypad on your on-screen keyboard. As easy as that. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.